Imagine a vehicle so extraordinary that it makes you rethink everything you know about luxury, performance, and innovation. A machine where the boundaries between hypercars and motorhomes blur into oblivion. Welcome to the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a creation so audacious, so breathtaking, that it might just make you ditch your supercar for good. Let's start with its jaw-dropping exterior. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling masterpiece. With sleek aerodynamic lines, signature Bugatti elements like the iconic horseshoe grille, and an aggressive stance, this motorhome looks like it belongs in a sci-fi blockbuster. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, every inch screams precision engineering while keeping weight low without compromising strength. Wraparound LED lighting gives it an otherworldly glow, ensuring all eyes are on you, whether you're cruising down the highway or parked under the stars. Now let's talk power, because when Bugatti enters the RV game, they don't hold back. Under the hood lies a hybrid powertrain inspired by the legendary Tourbillon concept. Picture this, a quad-turbocharged V8 engine paired with advanced electric motors, delivering not only blistering acceleration, but also effortless cruising power. Yes, you heard that right. This motorhome can outpace many sports cars on the highway, achieving speeds that redefine what an RV is capable of. Imagine merging onto the freeway, knowing you've got hypercar DNA at your fingertips. And yet, it's not just about speed, it's engineered for smoothness, efficiency, and unmatched stability, making long journeys feel like gliding on air. Step inside and prepare to have your mind blown. The interior is nothing short of a five-star hotel on wheels. Italian leather upholstery, polished wood accents, brushed aluminum finishes, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure opulence. At the heart of the cockpit sits a massive curved OLED display powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Voice control and an intelligent co-pilot system anticipate your needs, offering route suggestions and safety alerts as if reading your mind. Behind the driver's seat lies a world of indulgence, a fully equipped smart kitchen, a convertible lounge space perfect for entertaining guests, and a spa-like bathroom featuring a rainfall shower. Retreat to the rear bedroom, complete with a king-size bed, smart glass windows for privacy, and climate-controlled comfort. But here's where things get even more fascinating. Bugatti didn't stop at luxury, they added practicality too. Need fresh air? Deploy the retractable outdoor deck and soak in panoramic views? Solar panels integrated into the roof provide extra energy for off-grid adventures, while the self-leveling suspension ensures stability no matter where you park. Advanced driving assistance systems and 360-degree cameras make maneuvering this beast surprisingly easy, even in tight spaces. And then there's exclusivity. Only a limited number of these motorhomes will be produced, each handcrafted and fully customizable to suit your wildest dreams. Starting at around $3 million, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. For those who demand the pinnacle of performance and luxury, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome delivers both in spades. So would you trade your supercar for this ultimate dream machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like if you're as amazed as we are, and subscribe for more groundbreaking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming big.